Dear students of Standard 10, welcome back to my today's online class. Hopefully, you all are safe and sound at home by the blessings of Almighty Allah. By this time, we had completed chapter 15. Today, I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 16, Social Problems of Bangladesh and Their Remedies. You know, what is society? Follow a number of people living in the society, and you know also man cannot live alone. For their life, man need the company or support of the another person. So society is very emergency to do any type of work, and this society and the social problems are closely related with each other. Where there is the society, and in this society live the different types of persons, so the mentality are not same all these persons, so they can create different types of problems in the society. Thus different types of anarchy also create in the society. Now we will give a focus on what is society. A large group of people who live together in an organized way, making decisions about how to do things and sharing the work that needs to be done. This type of works can be positive or negative, and these works can create different types of social problems. So the social problems persisted at the very birth of the society, that means the beginning of the society, and are still continuing. But the nature of these problems has changed. In ancient period, what type of problems arised in the society? Now the new or modern, following the modern techniques, the different types of problems created in the society. And these social problems is such an abnormal situation of the society that influences most of the people of the society, and everyone needs to work together to overcome this situation. So from this chapter we will learn different types of social problems and how they created different types of problems in the society. So what is social problem? A social problem is any condition or behavior that has negative consequences for large numbers of people, and that is generally recognized as a condition or behavior that needs to be addressed. So the negative consequence, focus this point, that means the harmful or problematic elements and the inconvenient situation for the society are commonly known as social problems. So the works which are harmful and problematic and which can create the inconvenient situation for society, this can create different types of social problem. And this social problem does not happen temporarily, it becomes more or less permanent. That means after some times it take its or create its position permanently, and unified effort is needed for its remedy. So one cannot be enough to solve the problem of the society. Here unified effort is needed for its remedy. So the social problem is such a state of social life which impacts on the majority of the social people and which is treated as unwanted, and an unified effort from the people of the society is needed for its prevention. Currently in our country suffering with following types of social problems. These are actually the population problems, a big or huge number of population. So unemployment problem creates a different types of anarchy in the society. Violence against women and children, poverty, corruption, crime, suicide, divorce, terrorism, nepotism, highway robbery, extortion, then sexual harassment, bribe, hijacking, child labor, negligence of the children, murder, and so on. There are different types, and to do this type of corruption there are different types of persons also in our society. So these types of problems creates different types of anarchy or bishrinkhala or noirajyo in our society. So social discrimination and anarchy create the social problems. It means when the social norms fails to regulate the behavior of a person, then the moral deterioration of a person starts its formation, and the social institutions become non-functional when the moral deterioration or degradation of the society becomes massive. In such a situation, various types of problems can be created in our society. Now we will know what is anarchy or noirajyo, social anarchy, samajik noirajyo. Anarchy is the condition of a society, entity, group of people or individual that rejects hierarchy and promotes self-governing. That means we can say the social anarchy is the highest form of social disorder, and this anarchy descends when the government machinery, that means which promotes the self-governing, that means when the government machinery or the different parts of the government does not work properly, and the administration cannot control the evils of personal or group conduct. Some examples of anarchy are also torture of women, then the bribery, corruption, etc. So anarchy is commonly associated with a philosophy of social freedom through a state of chaos and an absence of social structure. So when the superstructure or the fundamental structure of the society break down, that time anarchy create in the society. The ideology of anarchism holds a fundamental belief that governmental authority is oppressive and should be eliminated, allowing people to engage in social cooperation voluntarily. So we can say this is that the social discrimination and anarchy create the social problems, and this social disorder is the disregard for traditional norms, regulations, customs, conducts and behavior in the society. When our previous or the traditional norms, regulations, customs, conducts, behavior become deteriorate, that time anarchy create in the society. So the social disorder is the disregard for traditional norms, regulations, customs, conducts and behavior in the society, and the social indiscipline can be seen only when the influence of social rules and regulations will be reduced from a man's life. What are values? Mullobodh. These words are closely related with the values, that is respect, openness, collaboration, learning, diversity, celebration, creativity, community, social justice, beneficence, then inclusivity, responsibility, honesty, integrity. All these words are known as the values. So when these values from a man's life deteriorate or degrade, that time different types of anarchy are created in the society. So this many type of factors are responsible for creating the social anarchy. So these values, we can say the moral values. So the erosion of moral values in our society today has become a phenomenon. And morals are influenced by family, society, culture and social values. So first, we know the family is the primary institution for learning actually the values or moral values, then the society, then culture. So different types of, if we can nourish the different types of traditional norms and regulations, so our moral values will not be deteriorate. So the agencies of education such as family, school and society play an important role in developing ethical and moral values among our youth. But unfortunately, due to several social and economic factors, many families are disoriented, disorganized and confused and fail to play this vital role. Society today is marked by violence, greed, theft, drug addiction, and especially the crimes against women are increasing, be it rape or other types of violence against them. Discipline today is lacking among young children. So this is one type of values. Discipline today is lacking among young children. They don't obey the elders and often disrespects them. Then young generations today become so much self-centered that they are mostly busy in serving their own interest. Thus, it has been commonly believed that there has been a rapid erosion of ethical and moral values among the youth in our society. So, how the moral degradation has been deteriorated the mentality of the youth. Causes of social anarchy. Many factors are responsible for social anarchy. The proper exercising of social values is an important factor for the society. Then the social anarchy is created due to the degradation of values in the society. The deterioration and the looseness of law and order situation are also responsible for the creation of anarchy in the society. Besides, when the law enforcing agencies show discriminatory behavior and negligence to the people, seeking help is also responsible for the creation of anarchy. Different activities subversive to culture, then invasion of bad culture, political instability, corruption, these etc. also responsible for the creation of anarchy in the society. So there are many types of causes of moral degradation. These are also including poor parenting, the condoning attitude of society, influence of media, family breakdowns and increased freedom. Here media, the important just phenomena nowadays, this media contributes to moral degradation a lot because it presents uncensored messages and images to the public. Increased access to a wide range of media such as television, music, internet, video games and cell phones contributes to moral degradation. So this is because most of these media broadcast violence, crime and obscenity. So dear learners, we must nurse or nourish our values of moral values. Be very honest and think positively. Thank you all today up to this. Stay safe at your home.